Okay, so let's start our today's class. Today's lesson, we are going to do 6.6, tens and ones to 50. So we are going to do tens and ones till 50, number 50. Then today's date is 30, 11, 2020, and the day is Monday. And the pages for the classwork will be 362, 363, and 364. And the homework page will be 365. So let's see what we are going to do with the tens and the ones till 50. That is 250. As you all know, the long straight lines or the blocks of all together, when you put the tens, ones of all the tens in a group, it makes the tens. So how many tens you have here? Look at the tens. Count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this becomes 6 tens. And then we have the 4 ones. So when you put together the 6 tens and the 4 ones, that gives you the number 64. Then we have the next number. Look at the tens here. How many tens we have? 1, 2, 3. So we are going to count this as tens as a whole. So this is 3 tens and 7 ones. So that is 37. So you all know the difference between the tens and the ones.
Today, we will learn to identify the number of hundreds, tens, and ones that make up a three-digit number. Let's review how we model two-digit numbers using place value blocks. How many tens are in this number?
3,
How many ones are in this number?
6,
Let's show 36 with place value blocks. How many tens should we use to model 36?
3 tens. 1, 2, 3.
How many ones should we use to model 36?
6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This is what 36 looks like with place value blocks. Think of another two-digit number. What number did you think of?
43. Three ones.
That's place value block.
I will have 4 tens and 3 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. 1, 2, 3 ones.
That's right.
So this is how you do the tens and the ones. This is the modeling of the tens and ones. For the model of tens, we have the number here 4. So we are going to put the 4 blocks of 10 here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. And look at the ones. The ones we have here is 3, number 3. So we are going to put 1, 2, and 3 blocks for 3. So that gives us the number 43. And this is the model of the tens and the ones, that we are going to look at the number and draw the model, or we can look at the model and write our number. So we have some questions here that we are going to do here. So count the tens and the ones to the 20 sheet 4 here. We have the picture and then the place value, that is the tens and the ones, and then the number we are going to find here. As we can see here, this is our tens here. So I'm going to take this as 1, 10. So how many you have here? Just 1, 10. So one group of 10 you have here. So I'm going to take this as 1, 10. That is 1, 10. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 ones. So what is the number I'm going to get? Write in the chat box. Yes, very good, Juri Ahmed. Yes, I got the answer from Juri Ahmed. Very good, Livia. Excellent, Miral and Lamar. Yes, very good. Very good, Eileen. Excellent, Warif, Celia. Yes, so what is the number 1 and 5? That becomes 15. Yes, so this is how we are going to make the tens and the ones. By looking at the model, you can write the number. Now, how many I have here? Again, how many tens? How many models of tens I have here? Yes, just one model of 10. So I'm going to take this as 1. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 ones. That is 1 and 8 becomes 18. Now, again, look at the model. Again, I have 1 and that gives me 110. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the number I'm going to get here? The next number, question number 3. What is the number I'm going to get? Yes, very good. Again, excellent. Miral, Celia. Yes, Celia and Iliana. Yes, very good. That's the number. Very good. Excellent, Warif. Very good, Mariam Amro, Eileen, Lama, Rawant, Livia. Very good. Yes, so you get the number 17. 1, 7. 1 is tens and 7 is ones. The same way we have here is again 1, 10 and 6 ones. So that becomes 16. Then look at here. How many tens you have? Look at the model of the tens. How many we have? Is it 1 or is it 2? Yes, very good, Celia. Very good, Livia. Yes, so we have 2. So I'm going to write here 2 as tens because I have here 2 of tens. So I'm going to write 2. Do I have any ones here? Look at the small cubes for the ones. Do I have any left here? No. So that becomes 0. So what is the number now? You all can guess the number. Yes, very good. Excellent. Very good, girls. Yes. So now you have understood the difference between the tens and ones. So you can write it now. I have the number 20. Because I don't have any ones, so that gives me a 0. And then it is 20, 20. The same way here I have 110. And how many I have here? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that becomes 19. So this is how we are going to solve the tens and the ones. We are going to count the models and then we are going to write the numbers. So let's open the page 362, everyone. Open the page 362, 362, and let's write the date on the top. CW 30, 11, 20, 20. Write the date. Here, the 2 in 24 means the 2 tens. The 2 in the 24 means the 2 tens. So you have the number 24. In number 24, 2 means the tens and the 4 means the ones. So we are going to count how many models we have for the tens here. So how many you have? 1, 2. So I'm going to write 2 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Count the side of the ones and write the number as ones. So that is 4 ones. So now you have the number 24. And then the 2 in the 42 means the 2 ones. So this is how many tens you have here. Count the models of the tens here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's write 4 tens. And how many ones you have here? 2 ones. So that becomes 42. So don't get confused. What they are saying here is when you have 2 on the left side, that is the tens side. And when you have the 2 on the right side, that becomes the ones. So now you know which is the tens side and which is the ones side. Now, use your math board and the cubes or the model to show the tens and the ones, write the numbers. So we have here the models of the tens and the ones. We are going to look or we are going to count them and then solve our question. So we have question number 1. Let's count how many tenses we have here. It's 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so we have our answer. 3 tens and 5 ones equal? Yes, very good. Excellent, Miral. Very good, Warif. Yes, so where's the answer we are going to get? We are going to get the number as 35. 35, 35. Write your answer as 35. Open the page 363. Now question number 5. We have 0 tens and 5 ones. So we are not going to write any number in the tens place. That's the number only 5. It's not 50. It's only 5. Okay. So now we have question number 9. Mary drew tens and ones to show 32. She made a mistake. Draw a correct quick picture to show 32 and write the number. Now, she has written, look at the number here. She has done 2 lines in the tens place and 3 dots in the ones place. So, but she has to get the number as 32. Is this 32? Here we have 2 and here we have 3. Is this 32? No. So she has made a mistake. So we are going to correct it and we are going to do as 32. So we are going to make 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Because it's 32. So 3 tens and 2 ones. And then in the ones place, draw 2 circles. Now it's the correct one. That is 32. Now we have 3 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place. Now the number is 32. Did you all get it how to do it? She has done a wrong one, so we are going to correct it. That's 32. 3 tens and 2 ones. Solve, write the number. So we are going to solve question number 10. I have 46 cubes. How many tens and ones can I make? Look at the number 46. So what you are going to make? How many tens and how many ones? That will be, I have the number 46. So 4 tens and 6 ones. 4 tens and 6 ones. Very good, Livia. Now, question number 11. Then June says that there are 3 ones and 5 tens. Rob says that there are 3 tens and 5 ones. Who is correct? Circle the name. So we are going to show how we are going to write as 35. Let's do it first. 35. So that will be 1, 2, and 3. It's 35, so 3 tens and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 tens and 5 ones. That becomes 35. Now, June says that there are 3 ones and 5 tens. Is this correct? Is June correct? He's saying we have 3 ones and 5 tens. No, June is not correct. Look at Rob. Rob says that there are 3 tens. This is 3 tens and 5 ones. So who is correct? Is June correct or is Rob correct? Yes, it is the Rob who is correct. So circle the name Rob. He's saying the correct one, that we have 3 tens and 5 ones. So that's all for today's class. The next page will be the homework. We're going to solve the page 365 as homework. So question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Solve the whole page 365. So that's all for today, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care and love you all.